So now we're learning how to make a website. If you didn't check the first video was the basics of the editor, just so that you know you're familiar with how the website editor works and what's a section and what's an item. So as long as you know what's an item and a section, you're good. So for this one, I'll be making the site. I won't actually be making it, but I'm just like gonna pretend that I'm making it. So you can always like change whatever heading that you want. Let's say, because I'm very self-obsessed. Boom, Umer, and then whatever subtitle that you want, you can add it. If I want to add something more, I can always click on plus and then add, let's say, a button. Like another button is already there. Whatever I want to add, I can always like click plus and then click on that specific thing. And then, like for example, if I wanted to add an icon, I can click on icon and then it will add an icon, and then I can populate that icon. And then you can always upload it or use our media sender, which is the stock photos, the royalty free, so you don't have to pay for them. And Okay, why is okay? I'm so bad at it. I shouldn't be making this video, but then I still am. So better appreciate that. Anyway, so this is the menu. I can always go to the menu setting and then go to the effects and have like the effect for the button that I want to add, like the way I want it to work with hover and stuff. And then if I don't want a menu, then I can simply click on hidden and it's gonna hide it. If I want it to be fixed, I can have it fixed. If I want to keep it at the top, it will stay at the top. Totally decided by you how you want to add it. And then button dimensions, some extra control as you want. And then there's this specific section called pro. It will prompt you that this is a premium feature. So what you want to do is go to publish and quickly like click on either connect your own website or buy a new domain. And then what you'll see is when you click on any of those buttons, it's gonna say creating license. So once you create that, then this feature is gonna be like this warning or whatever it is going to be vanished. So that's how you can go about that, and it's going to allow you to have more control over padding and stuff, like more technical terms. So as long as like you don't want it, you don't need to worry about it. And then if you want to add a pop-up, you simply click on plus and then click on add pop-up, and then you can add a pop-up. Wow, so much science going on there. So you click on pop-up and then you can also like select a preset, like a template, and you can edit that template and however you want it. And then for the email, you simply go here, and then again, once you publish it, it's gonna give you an option to add the user to the mailing list, and then you can click on that and sync it with Mailchimp or other email marketing providers. um, and then let's go here, let's understand what this one means. So general settings, basically settings that impact the whole site. So how do you want the site to be, like a wide site or narrow site? You don't want the narrow site, so let's keep it wide. As long as you like want a narrow one, then that's something you go for. Website fonts and background settings, like whatever background that you want. Like, should I explain it? Hopefully not. um, Scroll or whatever effect that you want as we scroll. So as like, let's say as I scroll, you want the sections to bloom, like you can select how you want it to be. And then page widgets. So these are some pre-made like pre-made page widgets that we have, but it's not limited to these. Like if you ever, like for example, right now you can see there's an intercom widget right now. Intercom is not here, but it's still on this website. So how do we add that? I'll explain later on the third one. Oh, actually maybe I can just do it here. um, and then access, if you want the site to be locked, you can simply, like, let's say you're working on a website and you don't want the public to see it yet, you can always like protect the website and then set a password, so only people who you send to your website to test know that password, and they can test the website and see everything's working properly. So that's how it works. And then for the head code, that's where you come and like paste the code that you want to be reflected throughout the website. So let's say if I want to link intercom or a chatbot, I can paste that code here, and then it's going to be reflecting throughout the website. And then for the SEO slash analytics, the title that you want. So when I open your website, the title that it should say on the tab, and then keywords that you want. This, like when the Google crawler scrolls your website, like crawls your website, what keywords should it show? And then favicon, the icon that you want it to show on the browser tab. And that's about it. I'll see you on the third video. Thank you for your time.